What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look video. My name is Josh, and today I'm looking at the brand new 70-200 f2.8 DG-DN OS Sport Lens from Sigma. The highly anticipated 70-200 2.8 is designed for full-frame E and L mount photographers and videographers. This lens features a high-performance optical stabilizer for handheld shooters and an inner zoom mechanism that allows for one singular barrel length. This is the very first DN Sigma zoom lens that features an aperture ring as well. For all of our outdoor shooters, this lens is both dust and splash proof and weighs only 2.9 pounds versus the OS HSM version of the same lens, which weighs 3.9 pounds. Focus breathing has been kept to a minimum on both the wide and telephoto ends and utilizes a dual HLA-driven floating actuator for fast and reliable autofocus. Overall, this lens is built for wildlife, sports, portraits, photojournalism, and just about anything else you can think of. With a versatile range of 70-200 millimeters, this lens can be used by a wide range of professional or amateur shooters. Whether you shoot photos or videos, the 70-200 can be used in virtually any situation. Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about this lens or anything else camera related, please don't hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, reach out on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.